Hi, Scott from Vault Safety. Let's talk LV rescue kits. There are plenty of LV kits in the market, and this is a must-have item for most electricians. But I want to show you what makes our kit stand out from the rest.
Tonight we'll see and hear firsthand
This kind of sound.
Let's hear the rest of it.
To start with, our bright yellow bag and its high-vis font. This makes it easy to see if there's ever a power outage. Also, its heavy-duty strap for easy carrying. Now, to ensure the bag is fully stocked and in date, we have printed a checklist inside the bag and a test due date to remind you when the items need to be retested. Vault Safety tests all our items before dispatch. So, we have our isolate here sign. This must be hung before you start a job. Next, our non-conductive LED torch. Energy suppliers will require a torch with 2 D-sized batteries, which of course ours does. Insulated gloves. These should be at least size 11 and rated to 1000 volts, certified to AS2225, ASTM D120 or IEC 6093. Remember, these are not for everyday use, they are for the rescuer only. Our dielectric LV crook. This has no metal components in it, therefore fully insulated. This is used to pull the victim off safely. And our fire blanket, used to extinguish either equipment or, more importantly, any clothing that is not fire retardant. Our sterile multi-trauma burns dressing, used for worst case scenario. And our handy hints first aid booklet to help guide you in the heat of the moment. We also offer our kits in a wall mount version. Also, our MV kits for when working over 1000 volts. You can also add to the kit a CPR mask, a thermal emergency blanket, and an intrinsically safe torch, which is great for underground mining. So if you need to upgrade your rescue kit or need it tested, give us a call. I'm sure we can help.
Get yours today at Sparky Direct.